Hi everyone, my name is Michael Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Today I am excited. I get the opportunity to show you a brand new floor plan by Forest River Sabre. It's the Forest River Sabre 37 FBT. What a floor plan. A bath and a half, and the full bath it's gigantic. 2 full sinks, a giant shower, a spot for a washer dryer, all in that bathroom. I'm excited to show that to you, so I'm going to flip this around and we'll get right into it. Again, this is the all-new 2020 Forest River Sabre. This is a latter 2020 or 2020 and a half. So this is what the 2021s are going to look like. The Forest River Sabres are known to provide a huge amount of value without a price tag so high where you just can't simply afford it to go camping. So this is no exception here. Nice fifth wheel. It's going to be definitely a 3/4 1-ton truck category, weighing under 12,000 pounds. Has a solid fiberglass front cap here with LED docking lights on both sides. Up front here you have your battery compartment, and also your spare tire is stowed away in here, which I appreciate, keeping that tire out of the elements from the sun beating down on it and drying out that rubber. This also is equipped with the 4-point auto leveling jacks. 2 points are up front here, and then the other 2 points are behind the rear wheels. So by just pushing this button right here, you can literally auto level this fifth wheel. 2 slides on this side here. This first compartment here, I like how these compartments, they swing out like a car door. Makes it easy to keep them open. This compartment here is going to be your hookup compartment. It has your water hookup in here. Also black tank flushes there, both of them for both of your black tanks. And also you have an antifreeze valve here. And you can just simply turn this knob to bypass your water heater, and this knob to allow that antifreeze to suck through that valve there. So when you do go to winterize in the winter, it's very easy to do. Some good storage in this compartment here. It goes almost to the other side over there. And then here's your pass-through storage in this compartment. Really big area, finished off well. Linoleum on the ground here, so it's going to be easy to clean up if it gets messy. What a space there. Here's your second slide on this side. Here's one of your leveling jacks. Notice behind the rear wheels, right where it should be. Coming to the rear of the fifth wheel. So I apologize if there's any wind. It's a beautiful day out today. It has a ladder to get up onto the roof. It also comes with a factory hitch, which is really unusual to see that anymore. But again, this is a factory hitch. Weight capacity of 300 pounds on that. Another slide out on this side for a total of 3 slide rooms. 2 axles on this fifth wheel with alloy wheels. Look how good and attractive those wheels are. What's great about alloy wheels, those wheels will look good and attractive for years and years to come. Some nice 4-ride steps to get into the entrance door, and we'll get there just in a second. There's the other side of the pass-through storage, but I want to show you this here. Outside kitchen, built-in sink, and a dorm refrigerator. Even has a little spot for a freezer. Alright, let's take a look inside here. Again, this is the 37 FBT by Forest River Sabre. And I always like to mention this, Forest River Sabre partners with KOA, and together they are helping to fight cancer, particularly kids with cancer. So great purpose there. Alright, we are looking towards the back of the fifth wheel. What a beauty. Alright, so just a sneak peek. As you walk right in the door, there's a couple things here. You have your monitor panel here. This will tell you your levels of your different tanks. And then this control panel here, I want to show you this. This is your brain. So this is your brain on a tablet. You can put the slides in on this, turn the lights in on this, do a lot of different things. Put your awning in and out with that. Really nice. This here will tell you your battery level. So if you are dry camping, you want to keep a watch of that battery level there. And then your heating and air conditioning control, and a couple more light switches all right here when you walk in the door, which is convenient. All right, so we walk through the living room. Notice a separate living room with really 3 couches, 2 trifold couches. So this couch on my left is a trifold, meaning it's going to come out to a queen bed for extra sleeping. So this camper, even though it's, you know, more of a mom and pop fifth wheel, you can actually sleep 6 people in this easily. This couch here is the same way, trifold, going to come out for extra sleeping. And then right here we have our theater seats. Those are going to recline. So you can prop your feet up and be comfortable. And also both sides of it will massage and heat. And you have 4 beverage holders there. And all seating areas have direct viewing of this really big 50-inch flat screen television. And also has a built-in radio for your speakers inside and out. That radio is going to be Bluetooth now. And of course it does AM, FM. And a giant fireplace here. 47-inch fireplace space heater. Also notice how big the windows are. This is in the slide room here. Really big windows. They all have the zebra blinds, which is really attractive. So I have them letting light in, and you can have them where they block the light, and you can easily roll them up and easily roll them down, which has always been a struggle in RVs. They just have always had trouble with blinds. So those are the solution to that. Freestanding table here. I appreciate that. It has four chairs, so you can get in and get comfortable where the booth, sometimes you're a little restricted, right? All right, kitchen is in the rear of this fifth wheel, but notice the fridge isn't all the way towards the back, which is nice for weight distribution purposes. But notice all the cabinetry here. We have a pantry off to the left. You have a lot of countertop storage here. This countertop in this is a solid surface countertop, which is an option on these Sabres. And it also has the barn-style stainless steel sink with the sink covers over top. Again, they are solid surface sink covers. Black stainless steel sink, single basin, so you can fit your biggest pots in there. And then you also have a window behind the sink. Sink covers really work slick. A lot of drawers here. Look at this pantry. That's a bigger pantry than I had in the first few places I lived. Storage above the refrigerator. The refrigerator is going to be a residential refrigerator, so you're going to get the conveniences of the residential, but you also have the conveniences of an RV refrigerator because this has a built-in from the factory inverter. And I love how the kitchen just flows into the living room, very similar to how they're building new houses nowadays. So it's all just kind of a nice communal area where you can just kind of relax with your friends and family. Also above the crown molding here has indirect lighting on both sides. That's a light that I would just leave on all the time. It just kind of creates the ambience in the room. And it's not blinding light, but it's enough light at night where you'll be able to see what's going on. All right, so I'm walking in this door. This is directly across from the entrance door from outside, and this is going to be your half bath. And it's a good size half bath. Has your sink with hot and cold water there, your stool here, enough floor room to get dressed in the morning, and plenty of storage for extra toiletries that you may need to store in here. And a window that opens. All right, and then up the steps are nicely done, and up here in the steps is going to be your master bedroom. So we hit the bedroom first. King bed on a slide, so you can walk around all sides of it. Have plenty of room up here. Have a you have a chest of drawers right here at the foot of the bed, and you have power on both sides of the bed with USB, normal electric. And you even have more storage up here. Look at this. I think you fit a kayak in here. I mean, that's 5 foot deep. Really deep. Turn the light on here. A lot of storage up there. 2 air conditioners on this unit. Also has this really nice pocket door with the barn style hinges on it. Or hardware. And then this is where this fifth wheel impresses me. This bathroom. Look at this. I mean, this is bigger than most bathrooms in homes. All right, so the bathroom here, huge shower. The shower features a place to sit down, glass doors, a giant skylight above it, and then all this room. I mean, you could get a couple people could get ready in here at the same time. 2 sinks, a lot of cabinet space, plenty of mirrors in here, so you can see how pretty you are. These 2 up here are on that same barn style hinges. This opens up to a really nice closet. And then you have a couple shelves back there for maybe your shoes or sweaters. And then in here, this is a closet, but closet is also where you put your washer and your dryer, right? So it's already prepped for that. Let's see the plumbing in here. So that's a nice space. I like that the washer and dryer is outside of the bedroom. It's in the bathroom. So if you get the noise, maybe you want to run a load of laundry and you're sleeping, get that noise away from your bed. So thanks for watching. This is the all-new Forest River Sabre 37-foot front bathroom. Wow, it's really quite to see. I hope this video shows you how cool this fifth wheel is. And also for current pricing, that's the spectacular part. Take a look at the link below. I hate putting pricing on there because we are constantly negotiating with the manufacturers to make sure we get you the best price. So that price is on our website, and I'm going to post a link for that below. So make sure you check that out. Also, financing is available with approved credit. And maybe you say, Mike, we can never get approved. Well, give us an opportunity to try. We have had great success with customers who are in the stage of rebuilding their credit, right? And maybe your credit's perfect and you think, Mike, my credit's perfect. Well, we'll get you a really good interest rate and really good term. So check that out and click on the link for that. And also if you're looking to trade up, so maybe you got a little pop-up and you're ready to go to this. We'd love to have your pop-up or whatever you are wanting to trade. And you can get a no obligation quote right from our website. Fill out the information in your trade and we'll get right back to you. So thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Get out, enjoy the sunshine.